is like only part of my things. Let's not act like I don't have all this stuff over here. You came in excited last night. I was not, but I have my backpack. It's all ready to go. Hello, welcome back. We are on the train, but I'm not solo this time. If you're new here, my name is Sojourner. I'm a traveling remote social worker, currently traveling around the US, but I love train travel, and so I had to add some train adventures to this trip. We are currently taking the Coast Starlight from LA to Seattle. If you saw my other train travel videos last summer, I took my first big scenic train ride from Chicago to California, and now I'm kind of obsessed. So we are here. It's our first day. We stayed overnight in LA at Freehand Hotel in downtown LA, which is a really nice hostel. It's like a hostel hotel, definitely on the nicer side, but still a hostel nevertheless. And then we caught an Uber over here to the Amtrak, and now we are on the train in our roomette. Y'all know last time I was solo, so it was just me, but now we're gonna see how it really is if you are someone who doesn't want to travel by yourself and want to stay in a roomette with someone else. We're gonna be your guinea pigs. So I want to show you all the snacks that we brought. So first we have ginger. So this trip, I don't think we're going through any mountains, but for the California Zephyr, we did go through mountains, and one of the natural remedies for like motion sickness is ginger. So I brought these just for the heck of it, but they're also a really good snack to have while you're on the train. So that's the first one. Motion sickness last time? No, I had the sea nausea relief bands as well and Dramamine last time, which I also have, but I don't think I'll need for real because I wasn't sick last time, and this is like less mountainous, so I don't think I'll need it, but I got the ginger chews just in case. We also have popcorn. This is rosemary truffle with olive oil popcorn. I got everything from Whole Foods. They're not a sponsor, but if you want to, hello, I'm available. We also got some roasted cashews. My sister loves cashews. They're her favorite. So we got some of those. And no road trip, no train trip is ever complete without some form of trail mix. This I picked up on random because it has all of our favorite things, but apparently it's like one of the best ones at Whole Foods. The best one. It's like, we got the midnight double feature trail mix. It has crunchy almonds and cashews mixed with dark chocolate, peanut butter cups, and sweetened sour cherries. And that's the snack interlude for this video.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
Yo, it's the end of the day and I am tired. We're beat. It's only 6:31. We've already eaten. We opted in for the earlier dinner just because we were hungry, and now we're relaxing in the roomette. First day was really good. We've been pretty much in the observation car the whole time, just watching both sides, hopping on both sides. The good thing about not traveling by yourself is that someone can save your seat so that you can get both views, which is really nice. So we were hopping around, and finally we did get a table because we had been eyeing one just to sit there. We pretty much sat there from like 1:30-ish, maybe a little before that, up until it was time for us to eat dinner. So we got a lot of the great views. In the beginning, it was a mix of the ocean, so we saw a lot of the water, and then as we've gotten further up the coast of California, it's been more greenery, very hilly, very lush. Compared to the California Zephyr, it's not as mountainous, but it's still gorgeous. It's still very pretty. That's pretty much what I've been doing all day, just hanging out. But right now we're gonna relax, wind down. I'm tired, my sister is tired, she's falling asleep. Can they see you? She's falling asleep over here. So yeah, we're very tired. You know, the adrenaline of being on the train and everything is great. Also, we need to wind down, and so we're kind of on the other side of that now. We're gonna get ready for bed, and then I will see you all tomorrow morning. We're gonna try to catch a sunrise. We'll see if that happens. Bye. Morning. It is day 2 on the Coast Starlight, and as you can see, we are nice and tight in the roomette. I want to talk about how much space you do not have when you are traveling with another person in here. I am 5'1", very petite, and the top bunk was like just enough for me. So keep that in mind. If you are traveling with someone, definitely think about who's going to take that top bunk. Thankfully for the Coast Starlight, it's only one night essentially, so we don't have to go back to sleep on the train. It's still very enjoyable. So I am going to get dressed, get some food, and go hang out in the observation car. I did see the sunrise this morning, which is really nice, but yeah, I'm kind of hungry and I want to get out my PJs, see what else these last 10 hours ish have to offer us, and we should be in Seattle by 8 o'clock tonight. Pro tip: if you can get a toiletries bag, it's loud. If you can get a toiletries bag that hangs, it's your BFF. hours total. They are like a little behind, but it's nothing compared to the 7-hour delay I had on the California Zephyr, so that's nice. We're at the end. The day was pretty chill. We saw a lot from our room, so I did hang out in the observation car for a little bit, but not a whole lot. But yeah, we're tired. I did not sleep well last night. Sleeping on the top bunk was a whole thing, and if you're any bigger than me, and I'm 5'1" petite, I promise you it will not be comfortable. We enjoyed our last day on the train. The staff is super nice all the time. I've never had any problems. The food was, it was alright. Food was the food, it works, it works for the time that you're on the train. We had fun. It was great. We enjoyed the views, and I will see you all in my next video, which will probably be a Seattle vlog. We're going to relax for the last 40-ish minutes and prepare ourselves for the Seattle life. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.